have this really long wall in our ensuite bathroom that we were struggling with what we wanted to do with. I knew that I wanted to add more storage and functionality in here, so when I came across the Florence system by Bestar, I knew it would be a perfect fit for this space. Whenever I'm starting a self-assembly project, I always love to sort through all of my pieces and lay out everything that is similar into groups along with the hardware. And I find that this just makes things move really swiftly because you know where everything is. And when you have multiple items that are the same size, like drawers, once you get going and get one assembled, it's really easy to then put the rest of them together. So it's a really easy screw and tighten mechanism, and these little bracket side pieces that anchor the walls to the drawer front were really easy to use, and then you just slide your back right into place. Once I got the first larger drawer together, I could really start to envision how this was going to look, and I started to get really excited. I also love that it's a simple shaker style door front, and the silver hardware that comes with it just gives it a really nice modern clean look, which would go with so many different styles. The bases came together really quickly in terms of assembly, and I love that you have so many options on where you want to put your shelves. I opted to do drawers on the bottom and shelves on the top, and the drawers were really easy to install with the straightforward bracket system. The drawers have a nice, clean, modern fit, and they already give the appearance of almost a built-in look to this space. The shelves are going to be so functional for storing linens, and the finishing touch was these beautiful glass front doors. They have a nice frosted coating, so you can't see everything that's in them, but it still gives it a nice airy appearance, which was important for this space. I love these no drill LED lights. They create this really beautiful warm ambiance when you open the door in the evening. And as you can see, I just had a lot of fun filling these cabinets up with all of our favorite items. I love that we now have the space to incorporate some of our favorite loungewear, as well as just those really functional things that you need in a washroom, like towels, toiletries, etc. This was a really fun way to showcase some of the items that I have in here while also giving me a lot of closed storage, which I feel like is really important when you're talking about a bathroom. This unit fit the wall pretty perfectly, and I love that I have these two narrower drawers that I can use for jewelry and those smaller items that you don't always have a place for in a washroom traditionally. Thinking outside the box and bringing a piece like this into our bathroom has really elevated it, and I can't get over the organization and functionality that it's brought into this space. So I recommend thinking outside the box and incorporating something that you might think only is supposed to go in one area of your home into another, and we're so happy with how this looks.